Although I bought several used motorcycles in the past and had good luck with them, except for the Italian motorcycle, by the way, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Oh no, come on. And also the Ducati X Diavolo, which is another Italian motorcycle that I had problems with, and I bought that one used. Look at this. I go to use the rear brake, nothing. Look at that. Not just Italian motorcycles, but there are other motorcycles that you should never buy used. I'll tell you, these bikes I'm getting ready to tell you about, you should never ever buy used.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
What I love about buying a brand new motorcycle, which I bought this MT-07 new, and a lot of my other bikes I bought new, is because it's mine from the start, fresh. Nobody else has ever ridden it. I don't have to worry about strip screws or any modifications where they've messed up with the wiring or something where you end up with electrical problems and stuff. So that's why I try to stick with buying a new motorcycle. But I'll tell you, these bikes I'm getting ready to tell you about, you should never ever buy used. Before I tell you about these bikes, which I'm gonna take you for a little ride on my MT-07, is make sure you're wearing the full gear to stay safe out there. I have links to all my gear, like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an automatic tint shield, my favorite helmet ever, motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep you safe, gauntlet gloves. I have links to all my gear in the description and comment section of this video. Oh, my Yamaha Davidson, baby. Woo! I love that sound. Oh my goodness, I never get tired of that sound. Woo! But I'm going to tell you this, man. The #1 type of bike you should never buy used is a track bike. Do not buy used track bikes, guys. Yes, if you know the rider, if they took care of the bike and you know they didn't beat the hell on it, then that's okay probably, man. But if you don't know the person you're buying this track bike from,
there is a motovlogger that does a lot of smackdowns and has a ton of fast bikes that are highly modded. I would never buy any one of his bikes.
And I'll tell you, that's another reason a lot of these, used sport bikes and whatnot, you don't know if they've been a track bike. That's another reason to buy a new motorcycle, because they can fix it up, put Chinese fairings on there like I, did in the past on my bikes. Make it look real cool, good looking and everything, but underneath is beat to hell wiring. It's got wiring issues, all kinds of problems and everything. And honestly, I would want to take that chance. I've seen too many guys get burned out there from buying used track bikes unknowingly. So, honestly, and if they tell you it's a track bike, obviously that's a red flag. Don't buy it. Now, they may be willing to sell it real cheap, but like I said, if you don't know how they took care of the bike, that can end up being a problematic money pit bike, man. Because they get beat up, man. Oftentimes, them bikes get beat the hell up. You see a lot of jigs of track bikes, and they're junk, man, some of them. But anyways, a type of bike you should buy used is, like I said earlier, Italian motorcycles. Now, I bought 2 used Italian motorcycles, okay? But with both of those bikes, I got a full factory warranty on it. It was only like a year old, and it was still within the factory warranty, and I extended the warranty. So the problems that I had with the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory and the Ducati X Diavolo, is that it was covered under the warranty. That's the key with Italian bikes, is making sure you get the full factory warranty and get an extension on it. That's the only way I recommend getting a used Italian bike, is if it's only a year old and it's still got the factory warranty. Otherwise, don't do it, man. I'm telling you, because it's almost guaranteed that you are going to probably have some problems with any Italian motorcycle, man. And parts are extremely expensive, I'll tell you, man. Just to give you an example, like a Ducati X Diavolo that I owned, a fuel tank on there, for whatever reason you had a faulty fuel tank, I don't know, whatever. The fuel tank alone on that bike is over 3,000 bucks. Oh, okay. Hey, see, here's one unreliable car here, man. Was this, a H2 or something? You end up like that dude in that Hummer, broken down on the side of the road with your Italian motorcycle or track bike. Listen to me now, don't be a fool. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a few people out there that's gonna say, Cycle Cruise, I got an Italian bike and a used Italian bike and it was good. Shut up, you don't know what you're talking about. If you're going to absolutely get an Italian bike out of a warranty, which I highly don't recommend, at least go, before you buy it, have it fully checked by an authorized dealer for that bike. Like I said, any problems you have, understand the parts are like double, triple the cost of Japanese bike parts, man. Extremely expensive. And another type of motorcycle you should avoid buying used is Chinese motorcycles, okay, and scooters. I bought mine new. I bought 2 Chinese scooters, brand spanking new, and had problems with them. So you know, if you're getting a used Chinese bike, you know it's probably going to eventually have some problems. You know, although the Chinese bikes are generally knockoffs of like Japanese bikes, but their parts are often inferior. The material, the metals that are made with, like the screws, the Chinese scooter I had, the screws would break. You know, you'd hear screws coming off, rattling. It's dangerous, man. Woo! Woo! Oh, I love that torque, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby. This is all you need right here. MT-07, baby, with the Akrapovic exhaust. Sounding like a Yamaha Davidson. Woo! Oh, sound good, boy. That's all I need is some sounds and some torque. I'm good. You guys can have them super bikes and everything. You can have that, man. You know what I'm saying? That's for the track. Out here, you want torque and sound. A soundtrack. That's what you need out here. Another type of motorcycle you shouldn't buy used is, I would say, electric motorcycles, because obviously the battery has probably lost a lot of its capacity, and you're probably not going to get much range. You know, and if you buy a new battery, it's probably going to run you, it's going to be extremely expensive, in the thousands possibly, man. The batteries are like one of the most expensive things on the electric bikes, man. If they put a new battery in it or something, you have it tested, and that's a different story. Or if they're selling it to you cheap enough that if you buy a brand new battery, it's still a good deal, then it makes sense.
Also, you should avoid buying used dirt bikes because they tend to be beat on the most. But hey, if you get a real good deal and you can restore it, then that's cool too. Then you could turn it into a street legal supermoto, like my YZ450FX custom supermoto, and I did a full build series on it. Go check it out. Link in the top right corner.
Oh! Woo! But the cool thing about the MT-07 is that you're not going to go too fast. You know what I'm saying? It's not a top-end fast bike. It's that bottom end grunt, that mid-range. That's what makes this awesome. And that sound, boy, woo! Sounds good, baby. But whatever used motorcycle you get, I would definitely have it fully checked. A lot of people just blindly get on a used bike, they test ride it, it seems good, they give them the money, they're good, and then they end up with problems later down the road. You know what I'm saying? You got to know how to buy smart. Like me. Like I bought this awesome MT-07, baby. I love this bike. But anyways, guys, leave a comment below if you've had any good luck with used Italian bikes or electric bikes or track bikes or whatever. Leave a comment below. Get you an MT-07, baby. Make sure to hit thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell symbol so you get notified of my videos released. And I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So until next time.